All right, let's talk about a money trap that sneaks up on almost everyone, usually way too late.
It all starts with this mystery, a feeling of financial stress you just can't quite shake.
You're earning more money, right? But somehow you're feeling just as stressed about it. Sound familiar?
So naturally, we blame the usual suspects. Maybe it's a low salary, just bad luck, or inflation.
But what if it's none of those things? The real problem is usually hiding in plain sight.
So let's unmask what's really going on here. It's time to find the real culprits.
It's not those external things. Nope, it's actually a habit we build ourselves, without even noticing.
It's called lifestyle inflation. Simply put, your spending just keeps pace with your new, higher income.
And boy, does it trap you. It creates this endless cycle of getting a raise and feeling broke again.
You get that raise, and for a second, you can finally breathe. It feels like total relief.
But that feeling doesn't last. New expenses creep in, and soon that becomes the new normal. Stress is back.
And here's the thing. It's not one big purchase that gets you. It's way, way sneakier than that. Your money doesn't just vanish. Nope, it slowly leaks away in drips and drabs you barely notice.
It happens through all those little habits you start without ever really thinking about them.
You know, that daily coffee, upgrading your streaming plan, another subscription, they all add up big time. So how do you get out of this trap? Well, it all starts with just noticing you're in it.
The people who actually escape this, they figure out one simple rule, and they learn it early.
But most of us, we don't get it until it's way too late, after we're already feeling stuck. So what's the one rule you need to set for yourself to break free? That's the real question.